much has been done. We've been working very, very hard to keep the sort of noise out of the case. And now it's been injected, at least to these 400 people.
Today, the defense team for the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students was scolded by the judge in the case.
It comes after they were accused of tainting potential jurors in a phone survey.
Question: have you read, seen, or heard if police found a knife sheath on the bed next to one of the victims? Question: have you read, seen, or heard that DNA found on the knife sheath was later matched to Bryan Kohberger?
Those are some of the questions in a phone survey issued to 400 people living in Latah County, Idaho, where 4 college students were found stabbed to death.
Nobody's injecting anything into the case. A random small percentage of the population is contacted.
Bryan Kohberger's attorneys hired an outside company to conduct the survey as they worked to make a case to move the trial to another county.
This survey was never intended to do anything but identify issues within this county to support or defeat our argument for venue change.
Prosecutors say they don't have a problem with a survey, but they do have an issue with some of the questions asked.
It is creating bias against Mr. Kohberger based on false or inadmissible evidence. That's outrageous.
The state claims they also violated a previous order by the judge that limits case details being shared with the public.
Doing these surveys is not an anomaly. This is something that's done in these high-profile cases.
Kohberger's defense attorney says she did not see the questions and the survey company created them based on media coverage. However, she did acknowledge the company did not know about that order.
We gave him no information in the case, Your Honor. He received nothing from us.
Now, prosecutors are asking the judge to make the defense start from scratch.
If they wish to continue with the survey, start over and submit questions to the court. Make sure that we aren't getting ourselves back into a similar situation.
The judge did not make a decision today. There will be another hearing next week. Until then, the defense team cannot continue surveying people. And you can get more background information on this case by watching our King 5 special, Idaho Student Murders. It is streaming for free on the King 5 Plus app, which you can download on Roku or Fire TV.